Alright you guys, we're here today for another episode of Skate Everything Wars. This time we have a new contestant. Fetty.
Yeah.
The Crow.
Uzi Daniel. You guys have been saying, we want Uzi Daniel. We need Uzi Daniel. So we're gonna give you some Uzi Daniel. We're here today at Orchard Supply Hardware. And that is like the smaller version of Home Depot and Lowe's. It's kind of more like the home hardware store. Yeah?
Yeah, sort of.
All I know is that they have Halloween and Christmas stuff and I'm really excited. And we came up, we pulled up on the store, we look in the windows, the store is closing, everything must go 40 to 80% off. Wow. Oh my goodness. Let me just explain the rules real quick to you. Skate Everything Wars, we go in there, we only have 20 minutes. You have to actively be searching for something.
Limit?
The price limit is still $75. You have to choose something for Fetty to skate. You have to be able to actually skateboard on it. If it is unskateable, you lose. So
Mine
like,
have lost the last 3 times, I think. So.
Exactly. So we're gonna go in there. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, so we're all good. We'll get your mic set up because he's been asking to turn on his mic for the last 25 minutes. And let's go. The teams are me and Fetty, Dream Team, and the Scrubs.
It's okay. We're a Scrub Dream Team.
Hey, dishes got to be washed too.
By
I
anything.
get why you call him a scrub, because he got his washboard pants on.
Shut up! Fetty, click the timer for me. 3.
5, 4, 3, 2, where the 1 go?
That was so confusing.
We're going.
All right, let's go.
Okay, look at all the spooky stuff.
Oh, I love the spoop.
Oh, look it, there's a goat.
That is a cow.
Oh, I thought it was a goat. What? Goats have horns too. It would have been way cooler if it was a goat.
It's not even remotely close.
It looks like it could be a goat. Okay.
That
well,
is so
besides
obviously a cow.
No, it is not. Comment down below if this could be a goat.
Making moves at Osh.
I wish it was a goat. I would have bought it. Goats are hilarious.
Why do you like goats?
I actually need some of these.
Skating them?
Why not?
If we find an 8 and a 10, should buy them later.
I'm actually really sad that this store is closing.
I know.
I really like this place.
This was very close to home.
Wait, this actually might be kind of hard because it's like empty, nearly.
Challenge accepted.
Not wasting any time. I didn't see like what everyone normally picks for these types of things. So, can I get this?
How much is it?
Oh, that's so heavy. I don't know. Never mind. It's like filled with lead or something. How heavy that thing is.
I don't think the state of California would allow
It has
that.
its own orbit. Everything really has gone. Can we go outside? That's what I'm saying.
This makes me sad.
Everything has gone already. Oh, just go to this. There's stuff out here. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Hose. Okay, I don't think there's anything good out here. There's some
Look
really
at this.
loud fake birds. Maybe real birds, I
I
don't
think
know.
those are real birds.
If they're going out of business, I think the last thing they're gonna spend money on is fake birds. I wonder if they have enough everything must go signs. Something tells me everything must go.
We haven't done a birdhouse.
Oh, the glass section.
Oh no. I mean,
Oh, you can skate that.
how would I drill through
I don't know.
it? Where would I drill through it?
Oh, there's some stuff over there.
Oh, I
Oh.
have these metal things.
Exactly. Dude, that's slicing your leg off.
Joy!
Oh, I like where you're going with this.
That would break.
Wait, look at the snowman. Dude, you could always just, you could just bend his beak down.
Break his beak and his feet off.
Yeah.
These are hard.
Let's check over here real quick.
look.
Skate this. 23. Wow. This. What's up with everything here being so heavy? I think this will break.
A mailbox?
That seems pretty good, honestly. It's only 11 bucks. Cow?
Move.
It's a cow. Oh, this is pretty sick. It's like the same size as a mailbox too. Battery operated. What do the batteries do? Oh, there's lights and the skeletons. I don't know. You think you could drill into it?
Yeah.
Not bad. Okay, yeah, that's number 1. Because the mailbox, I think, would be more flimsy. A gnome? Oh, that's glass. That'll break.
Uh-oh.
I just have to touch everything so I get a feel for it, literally. Pineapple? This is the most emo, not emo thing I've ever seen. A pineapple? How scary is a pineapple? And why is it made out of skeletons? Here we have some foam, I guess. What if I get bubble wrap? Then you have to like wear bubble wrap so then if you fall, you don't even get hurt.
What is this? It's like a fire starter?
That's where you keep your logs.
I knew that. Dude, that thing is only $53 now.
I know, that's one option. Wow!
Oh.
How much are you?
Oh.
Oh, look at this one. Oh, 111.
How much is this one? This gotta be like 150 then.
Same price, dude.
Dang it.
Santa on a sled on trucks? Genius.
Why does it seem so jolly? Look at this guy though. You can imagine trying to skate this? Having to look at that face? A weed whacker?
Oh.
Oh, that's heavy actually.
Is this just a piece of wood?
Can I pick a piece of wood? How about if I buy that lamp and then I buy batteries and make the eyes glow?
Oh, that's a good idea.
A lighted cube?
I need one of these.
Waterproof, long lasting,
I
16
need it.
colors. You could pick
I
the
need it.
color like this.
I need it. Once the cameras are off, I'm buying that so fast.
Well, I'm getting out of breath, you know, just running around. Come on, 20 minutes.
Dude, we need to skate this.
Ow.
It's self-aware.
Oh,
Get out of there.
A lamp.
Leaf vacuum. Whoa.
Oh, I smell garden.
Oh, we're onto something. We are onto something. Oh, genius.
How much is a leaf for?
Probably not that much now.
I don't know where I'd put trucks on this thing.
just leave the guy alone, okay?
Oh, what is all this stuff? Why is this stuff all so creepy? There's that thing. I don't know what that is. Probably deadly. What is this? That is the most deadly
that's
object
scary.
I've ever witnessed with my own eyes. Dude, a penguin. That's probably the best thing I've seen. This is really dangerous. It'd be funny. Look at it. A tail here and a nose.
Yeah, that's
About
pretty
a
good.
10.
How much is it?
I kind of like that more than the lamp.
light?
Just because, like, everyone skated stuff like that already. No one skated a penguin. The penguin has got reinforced feathers and the foot placement for flips. See what I'm saying? Pretty good. It has
that is
glitter.
pretty
It
good.
has glitter all over it.
Now you have glitter all over you.
Oh no. What have I done?
But how much is it though?
Oh yeah, I don't know. 30 bucks.
Oh, $35.
Let's check right here real quick.
Alright.
I'll come back for you, my friend. 119.
That was way louder than I anticipated.
Let's just get them a giant paint can and drill through it and then make him skate the paint and ruin his shoes. Oh, flamingo.
Skeleton flamingos? Flamingos.
Oh, that's breaking.
That would break. I've learned. They're onto that skate.
Yes, they are. Oh, what is that?
I think it's the same material as that fish.
Dang. What is this mysterious material?
$90 for that?
Why? Oh, we could use some actual rope for the Braille house.
What? Oh, freaking mailbox. $63.
That's a big mailbox.
That is a ginormous mailbox.
That can hold packages.
Dude, this is a good idea. They have a security mailbox.
I think that's in my break though.
No.
Daniel's fat. We don't have long enough screws. I mean, if I could just put them in here, through here. I say this one then. We'll just hold on to it.
Yeah, yeah.
We got something. More so than what they got, I think.
Oh, mailbox. Santa's mailbox. It's 80 bucks though. Wait, isn't it?
No.
50.
How do you get trucks in that?
It has a lid first.
Yeah, you might be able to like reach in there and.
Oh yeah. I don't know. What do you think? Penguin or Santa's North Pole Express?
I feel like the penguin would be a bit better.
You think?
Yeah, I feel like you could actually skate that. But it may also be easier to break.
The penguin is like more cool. Like, everyone's like, oh wow, that guy's skating a penguin. But if they see this, it's like, man, you just stole Santa's mailbox. Like, it is what it is. I don't know. I say we go with the penguin.
All right, let's do it.
What are you thinking?
I don't know. Can we go look at the screws now? Just see if they got anything?
Yeah, we can.
I feel like this is like a really hard episode for his first one.
You gave him a doozy. Oh, it's a mini goat. That looks like a pig. With slats.
What's all this?
I don't know.
Oh, this one's suspect. Let's get a different one. Everything must go, including these penguins that they didn't expect to go.
Oh, this is what you're talking
Bone
about.
flamingo. Oh, this is pretty sick actually. I want one of these for my yard. A bone flamingo. Bone is that?
I don't know.
Like, what's more spooky than a bone flamingo?
True.
It's like, you know, if you think about a flamingo, you're never like, oh, scared. But now, get scared from that. If you are just walking down the street, you see a skeleton flamingo, what are you looking at? Keep your eyes to yourself.
Are we done?
What have you done?
I didn't like that. I think we're done.
Okay, cool. We're gonna stop recording then.
We're gonna stop recording first. All right, well, we're leaving Osh. That was a really sad experience.
Thanks for waiting.
Oh, hi, Fatty. Uzi's coming in here. Like, this thing's gonna build itself. What do you think this is? Okay, well, think about this. You don't want it to be that low because then the beak is gonna be hitting the ground. I think you need to hammer the beak down.
It's a lot tougher than I thought.
Quit, Lars.
Squidward.
It's Squidward.
I feel like I'm gonna need this hammer, so I'm gonna keep it.
Oh no, using the 3D printed trucks on Fetty? Uh-oh, the salt.
I asked him if it was okay, and he said he doesn't care. So
Oh, all right.
if there is salt,
I don't have salt. I have pepper.
What are you doing? He has that set up to build.
I was just looking at it.
Literally, Uzi, focus on your
I need a
stuff,
drill.
bro.
No, you gotta bend his feet, dog.
I just want to see him hammer it again.
Hold still, buddy. Oh no! Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that! He's ready to go.
You gotta take that down the ramp.
What happened? He's got a black eye.
all right, let's go set it up.
All right.
Yeah, Fetty's actually over there doing work right now.
Finally, it's straight.
This looks like the face that's seen some things.
Can I draw on it? That was the best suck of a screw I've ever seen.
What do you do? Alright. I'm on deck.
Is this your first like build, Daniel?
Yeah. Let's just screw one. Can't go wrong with one.
That smells.
Smell that? It's penguin. What is that old saying?
Cut one.
Measure once, cut once. YOLO. Come on, Becky. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, we got it.
That's the most Daniel thing ever.
It is the most Daniel thing ever.
Look at he's mad. He's not even happy about it. Skateboard. Tita can't afford dental. He's got money for face tattoos, but not teeth. Maybe he should be spending his money elsewhere. I don't know how to spell Becky.
I can't watch this to give me an anxiety attack.
I was cool with him, but now he just looks disturbing. Before he looked friendly, like this guy might be kind of cool, let's give him a chance. Now it's just like, you can't trust this dude, look at him.
He's finger measuring.
That's how they used to do it back in the old days. Easy, bam, bam.
Trying to show how crooked these are.
Honestly, I didn't look, so it's my first time. This is something only a master builder could build. That's how you know it's done.
Oh no. Oh no.
Hey, I've never feared for my life more, I'll be dead honest with you. It's a human death trap.
All right, let's get to the game of skate.
Hello?
We got some mail. It is Fetty's possessed penguin. Do you have a name for him?
Willie.
His name is Willie. And do you have a name for this?
Foxy.
So they're gonna play a game of skate right now. Full park. That's all I have to say, Rochambeau.
Be careful, Fetty.
I think it already broke.
No, you're good. The feathers are, that's supposed to do that. To reinforce. You know, like that's how birds keep water out. It's layered.
He's
actually not wrong. That's your trick.
Okay.
Wow! Fetty, just go down on your stomach on the penguin, please. Just at some point in this game for me.
What's happening to it? Why did it not go? Brand new.
All right, Fetty, that's an S. You're up.
Try to kickflip.
All right, Fetty. It's good. Shove it.
yeah.
Man, I really thought that thing was gonna hold up better.
All right, you gotta do shove it. Wait, why are you moving?
I don't know.
I cannot believe how close that was. Wait, show me what's going on with this thing.
I'm gonna front shove first, and
Okay,
then.
all right. Okay, now you can show me what's going on. Oh, yes.
There's no way that that was naturally done. You smashed it on purpose.
I'm having a rough time right now. Because that penguin's unskateable.
It's unskateable?
It is unskateable. Fetty is playing the gentleman game and taking a letter. So it's now S to K for Fetty.
Ollie? I didn't really get that very well, but it counts, but
here.
I want to get a better shot.
I was still on it.
How hard do you smash down with your feet when you land? every time
No,
or
we'll-
something.
You go ahead. You be
Alright,
lighter.
alright,
You,
alright.
you be lighter.
I mean, it's
Back 180.
oh, Fetty's about to ice his game
Really?
real quick.
not fair. I gave him foot handles.
Hey!
Oh, almost had
All
it.
right, so that's an A. Fetty can just go for the throat right now.
For 180. Might want to watch out for the antenna.
Yeah.
I didn't even do anything. I just slid off like an ice skating ring. I didn't pop yet. Hold up. I think I need a tail. That's why. Here we go.
All right, Uzi, that's T for you. So what we thought was an unskateable object has turned out to be the best skateable object of all time.
Back 3.
I saw my shins flash before my eyes.
Drop in. Christmas Captain America.
Christmas Captain America. Please don't throw it at the wall.
90.
Carlos, did you wax the penguin? Hey, Uzi, you should roll off from that. Yep.
Yeah, you can do
I
it.
got a better idea.
3 shove?
Yeah.
I think that was good.
I mean, mine's deteriorating also. I guess his is a little worse, but.
Oh, you
Had
have
it.
that.
Hi, my name's Wheelie.
Alright, I'm gonna 3-shove right here. I'm gonna land it.
All right, you got it, Becky.
For Becky.
We should have you drop in to end the video. Or someone needs to sled down that on the
I'll
penguin.
try to sled.
All right, you got this, Fetty. Let's get this.
I love that getting stuff up there is like a staple of these videos now. Hold up, Becky, let me get one. This one's for Becky.
Wow.
Sorry, Becky. This one is for Becky and for Mario.
What's up? What's going on?
My aim was on point though.
Here's the technique. See this hook?
You're so wrong.
It's gonna go like this.
You've never been more wrong. Yeah, you get it.
Wait, hold up. Watch.
Whoa,
Watch.
whoa. Do not talk to Ultra Instinct only.
What? No!
Thanks, man. Are you kidding me?
All right, you guys, that was a lot of fun. In the end, Fetty is the winner, but really, the winner is Uzi for getting it stuck up there.
I think we're all winners.
Actually, I had a lot of fun, so I think I'm a winner too, right?
The penguin cut me.
So a huge thanks to every single person that watched this video. We could not do any of this fun stuff without all of your guys' help and support. Thank you so much. Leave a comment below what store you'd like to see in the next Skate Everything Wars. We will go there. If we haven't been there, let us know. We'll make sure that we make a trip there and find something to skate. If you want to follow us all on social media, you can find Fetty at Fetty Potter. I'm at GabeCrew01. He is at Uzi Walker, and Rowan is at Rowan.Emery. That was the hardest thing I've ever said.
And Carlos
And
at
Carlos Lastra _ 24. So we have a blast making these videos, and I hope you guys have just as much fun watching them as we do when we make them. With all that said, go to BrailleSkateboarding.com. We have a brand new line that you guys will love to check out with some Fetty Potter merch as well. And we have a playlist for other Skate Everything Wars you guys can check out as well. But until then, you can subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you in tomorrow's video. You guys are seriously the best. Carlos, stop it. Stop. Carlos, get down. Carlos, get down. Carlos!